Hi YouTube, I ordered a quadcopter from Lazada. It's called a Sky Phantom, made from Happy Cow, I think. I ordered it white. See, this is from Lazada. There are two documents here. I think this is for LBC return. Then, let's open it. Okay, I think there's something wrong with this because it's black. And as you can see, there are already so many scratches. I think it's not visible using this camera, but there are already so many scratches. Okay, let's try to see other things. Okay, this is black. I ordered it white. See? And there are lots of scratches. Oh my gosh. Look at that. See? And this one is good. Oh my gosh. I think this is really a used item. Another one. Oh, that's not good. The controller is good. This one is new. There's the instruction manual. There are 4 propeller guards. There are also 4 propellers, extra propellers. This one. USB reader, micro USB reader. So meaning I ordered the unit with the camera. There's no camera. There's the USB charger, the screwdriver, extra screws, and the battery. But there's no camera. My God. I have to return this. Thank you, Lazada, for this bothersome product. You made my day, and I've been expecting this. It was fast delivery actually. It only took 2 days. But I don't know what kind of item is this. This is a fully and totally damaged item. I have to return this. Luckily, Lazada provided us with a return courier from LBC. But it's bothersome to go to LBC outlet because it's very far from here. Although I really need to return this because it's not money well spent if I'm going to allow this, because it cost me almost 2,000 pesos, 1,996 pesos. And I'm a bit disappointed with this item. Maybe I'll just change to another item. Wish me luck. Thank you.